The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV portal, your online self-service portal. Available anytime, anywhere. This video will show you how to replace your parking permit through your active MyDMV portal account. If you are accessing MyDMV portal from a cell phone, you can tap the three lines on the top of your screen to get to the main menu. The menu and options are listed here. Then, tap on Motor Vehicle and select a service to begin. If you are using a computer, from the MyDMV portal dashboard you can scroll down and click on the Parking Permit tab to see a summary of your parking permit information, including issue date and expiration date. To replace your parking permit, first click on Motor Vehicle and then select Replace Parking Permit. Review your active military status and make a selection, if applicable. Verify your home address. If you change this address, then you will have to buy a new driver license or ID card. Review your mailing address. You can enter a one-time shipping address at checkout. Click on Update Next to continue. Please note, in order to replace your parking permit through MyDMV portal, you must have a valid Form HSMV 83039 application for disabled person parking permit on file within 12 months from the certifying authority date. If you select the Replace Parking Permit option, you will be issued a replacement decal. If an updated form is required, you can send form by mail, fax, or submit in person to the tax collector office or license plate agency in the county where you live. To replace your primary parking permit, select Replacement next to your primary parking permit details. Then, choose a reason for the replacement. If you possess an additional parking permit registration, details will be listed below your primary parking permit. To replace your additional parking permit, select Replacement next to the additional parking permit details. Then, choose a reason for the replacement. After that, read and agree to the statement that you provided a truthful and accurate reason for the request. Then, select Add to Cart. Review the transaction details and click on Checkout when you are ready. Review your residential and mailing address that is on file. You can select Edit Address if you would like to make any changes. Review the shipping details. You may have your item shipped to a one-time address by selecting the Change link. Then select Next when you are ready to continue. Thank you for using MyDMV portal for your parking permit services.